What's going on, Solo in the building? So I'm gonna be basically doing a day in the life again. Nothing crazy. This might be a 2-day series. I'm not sure yet, but currently I'm at the space chilling right now. We've been doing a lot here. I don't know if y'all remember my previous videos I did, but we've been doing a lot here. So I'm gonna be showing you guys just my journey today and everything like that. Today is mainly gonna be about the honest review on futures trading, and you know why I will be switching over in the futures side of trading and officially start trading futures and even start working with prop firms in the future side. I still trade Forex as well. For those that don't know, I'm not a big fan of trading Forex anyway. I always focus on indices and stuff like that and commodities, so that's pretty much really what it is. So you'll see how that go, and I'll let y'all know how that go, and I'll pretty much talk to you guys about that throughout this whole process, so stay tuned. Hey, that dude that was here yesterday, how did it go?
It was good. They liked it. They enjoyed it. They were late, so.
Hella late.
Hella late.
You're going crazy.
Yeah, no, they did an intro, sitting down, because we were trying to figure out how they wanted to do it. They were both going to be talking. It was going to be question and answers, or they said it was going to be just both of them back and forth talking at once. They needed the teleprompter, so I just set one camera up on both of them, full of them. Because I had their own individual setup, but they were like, it's too much having to look at their camera and the main and teleprompter. And then they did one over there standing, and they wanted it sideways because they were going to make a reel or
like reels or something like that. Fuck with it. What's going on, Solo in the building? So y'all, right now we're possibly looking at a potential, I guess, in location, checking everything in here with the team.
John Boston. Eric, pleasure. This is my colleague Andrew and Peter.
Takina.
Pleasure, Takina. Yes.
Nice to meet you.
Pleasure to meet you. What's your name?
Shane.
Shane. Excellent. Nice to meet you. Well, I'm glad you all are here. Let's get you out of the cold. So just for a footprint, from this corner to that tall building tree there. Okay, this is not a structural component. This is just framed in for the seating. So from the stained glass all the way to where the banister is, this could be one open space. These are framed in. Like there's another part of our facility where it's actually structural. This is not. Years ago, this space was full. There was a couple of thousand people coming on the weekend, and there's a lot of history here. And we'd have to just kind of look at it. Andrew will work with MOUs over time, but this is also more plug and play. You know, it just takes more using the space. So this room is just this room is over 3,000 square feet, including the storage house.
What you thinking?
Possibilities, for sure.
How many people you think you can fit in here? What's the capacity?
This environment, and I'm telling Andrew, over time, they should have brought all of this when these buildings were $20,000 each, but just, they didn't.
Yeah, 2050.
Spot in there or something like that. I don't know.
If it's a house, I'm assuming like it's a whole house in that mode. Like,
Exactly.
like there's a kitchen, bathroom, everything.
That's what I'm saying.
Dressing room.
I think
Set up a call and then meet up again after we thought about what we
you can't put it in your file. I'll take it back.
something like that.
Yeah.
Correlate ideas.
Oh yeah, tell them to head this
Exactly.
way.
We'll think
And we can
among
switch over.
us, and then
Absolutely, yeah.
All right, man. So
Okay.
yeah, there you got it.
Yeah.
Thank you for your time.
We'll do that at because the ceilings weren't.
it's not like
It's not
like
that tall, so
These are just gonna be like just regular sets, not regular, but like
Like how the home is.
you can't
the
do
home
anything
base.
crazy with them.
Front.
Like instead of like BS, we got the sets in the back, right? They're just these small sets.
so I gotta really figure out in my head like what
You
could be.
talking like making movies type shit?
Yeah, like movies type. You know what I'm saying? Because it could be turned into sets here. That's cool,
Yeah.
right? That's great. But I'm thinking like we thinking bigger. You know what I'm saying? I want to think a little bit bigger. So that would be my main thing, honestly. I say it'd be more of like the others that we seen, like the smaller stage we seen.
Yeah.
I think that was good.
All
All right,
right,
take care.
All right, thanks again.
So yeah, I think that smaller stage, the one with the school,
Mm-hmm.
how the school would be using that. Now that makes sense.
Oh, that's with the event space of the shit, that area too.
The one we seen with the stage, yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Another thing, like I said, recording studio, that's got to be in there too if we can get that. I mean,
Yeah,
sound like they cool with it.
seem like they down with it. They said it's what did he say?
Ratchet
hours
Righteous.
and righteous and ratchet hours.
I fuck with that. I gotta think about it. The whole vision switch now because it's smaller rooms, they compact rooms. So it's kind of like damn. It's kind of going back to the idea like each can be, like its own set, but I don't want to just do a set because, like what we said, that's not really money to really be made in a set. Money to be made is a party or event. We seen when we first walked in.
That door on the side.
Yeah.
He said we could put the BES sign right there.
That makes sense.
Go downstairs, get ratchet. Go upstairs, get holy.
Yo, all right, guys. So basically, I want to just get on the charts real quick and kind of talk about what's been going on. So I haven't been making videos about kind of what I've been doing in the trading side of things recently, but I had took this NASDAQ trade yesterday, and what was crazy is I was looking to hold this position, but for some odd reason, I literally remember that. So pretty much as you see here, this was this NASDAQ trade I was looking for a buy, and I was actually trying to do a swing, like a mini swing entry day, I guess we can call it trade, and that completely went in my favor, but I should have actually held the position just seeing what we did today. Now this trade that I actually took, it was a trade that helped me out from one of our bots, which is based off of my strategy, 100% off my strategy. And that's pretty much the reason why I took this trade, just to show you guys real quick. Believe it was yesterday, man, so I can't even remember what it was. But today, everything's been hidden. That's because the NASDAQ and S&P's been in a trend. This is basically my 3-man standing strategy. I just decided to create a bot around it. But yeah, there was a trade I took yesterday, and I can't even remember where it was. But it was one of these trades I seen, and that's what made me basically go for that trade. And then I said earlier in my video that I don't actually trade FX pairs no more, unless it's really necessary. But I have been taking a few trades, as you've seen on the actual account here. There was like 2 trades I took, which was just GU trades. I used to trade GU very faithfully. I took a couple of GU trades and made some profit on that. So that's pretty much what's going on there. That's pretty much where we at right now. I do trade futures as well. I definitely want y'all to know that I still trade futures, and I am looking to get into futures just due to what's going on. But there's things around that as well. Kind of really my brokers I'm using is Iron Bean and Vape and also TradeStation. So I'm literally using all 3 brokers right now, and that's pretty much really what it is. So I'll keep y'all posted on that as well and keep y'all up to date with all of this.
Yes, man.
As y'all see, we live direct. We live direct. We got Thin Line Pod. They probably got one of the coldest pods here at the studio.
Press lasted that long.
Yeah.
Now I gotta look at the whole pod to make sure. No, she's talking about how
You said what?
get it together.
If you bust a blood clot tune, dog. So, yo, pull up. If you bust a blood clot tune, dog.
Third or half of that to use it.
What you think, Shane? Add on for the light.
Good idea, because it's like.
Add on for the light, sir. Huh? What you said? That's a good idea too.
They cost, like he's saying, like more than $700. I'm like, well, that's the case.
That's
if they
a-
want to use that light, they should pay a third of the price or half of the price.
I mean,
'Cause they wouldn't have
everything
access
here
to
is a cash flowing asset, so it's all gonna be an add-on. They can't just get that shit. They get this for nothing else. That's it.
So what we doing right now? We is setting up fucking top box.
Like all these lights are add-ons. All they get is that one softbox.
Well, I'm trying to tell Dami the difference between softbox.
So like everything else is the add-on.
Okay,
Like,
dummy.
pump machine,
Yeah.
add-on. It's light, add-on.
Yeah.
Yes.
Unlike